How to log into your VSCO account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can log into your VSCO account. If you want to log into your VSCO account, first of all you need to make sure you have already created an account on VSCO. Now open your VSCO application on your mobile device and you will reach to this screen. Here on the welcome screen, you need to look for See More options. Tap on this option. And once you open it, you need to tap on this returning option. Once you tap on it, now you will be able to see all the sign-in options. If you want to sign in with Google, you need to tap on this first option. And similarly, you'll also find the option to sign in with Snapchat, Facebook, phone number or email. From here, you need to select one of these options that you have used while signing up to your account. Here I am signing in with emails, so tap on this last option. Once you tap on it, now you will be presented with the sign-in interface. Here you will need to enter your email address or profile name and the password. Make sure to enter the correct details here. After entering your email address and password, you may also tap on this I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if it is entered correctly or not. If in case you have forgotten your password, you may also retrieve it by tapping on this Forgot Password link below the password field. And from there, you need to follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Now after entering all the details, tap on this Sign In button right here and wait for a while. Here a pop-up will appear asking you if you want to save this VSCO password to your Gmail account. If yes, you need to tap on Save Password. If not, you can tap on Never. After doing that, you will land on this page. Here if you have already verified your account, you will directly log into your account. But if you have not completed the verification, you will need to verify your email. Also, if you don't want to verify it right now, you may also tap on this Verify Later option at the very bottom. Once doing that, now you can see you have successfully logged into your VSCO account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your VSCO account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.